There's two pillars, I think, to our business. One is quality, second is energy management. I think in today's energy conscious society, we all need to work really hard now to make sure that we're using every kilowatt hour the best we can. At Simpson Partners, we're about simplifying everything to make it very easy, but we're class leading with the amount of functionality we have in our system. For example, you might want to use your solar charging during the day, but in the evening you want it to automatically switch to charge using low-cost energy after midnight, and our system will automatically make those decisions for you and switch across without user interaction. The Energy Manager, the Solar Monitor and Battery Monitor are add-ons onto the Home Series products. They wirelessly connect, so they're very easy to install or retrofit at a later date. The Home Series charge points is the brain of the system. And then we have the Energy Manager, which automatically balances your home and your charging. Then we have the Solar Monitor, which monitors your generation from your solar panels, and a Battery Manager that works with your home storage batteries. All this data from these different sensors and products comes into one place and is shown in our mobile app. It's done in a very simple to use interface that anyone can use very easily without being overwhelmed. The Energy Manager becomes more than just charging your car, it becomes an energy management ecosystem in your home. It's a product that adds a lot of functionality to your charge point, and it makes Simpson Partners more about, more than charging, really. It starts to become part of your home hub of energy management.